Good morning. Sorry, I'm looking a little gross. Thought today we'll vlog kind of like a more you can obviously tell I haven't had my coffee yet, but I'd say this is a pretty average morning for us, watching How I Met Your Mother while we have breakfast, which we have been trying to be better with eating properly. Of course, we have some coffee, which I haven't taken a sip yet, so that's probably why I can't talk. We got some yogurt with granola and banana, and then some toast with, sorry, was that really loud? Bacon and eggs, and then some banana. And this is really good. It's a melon pan paste where you put it on the bread and toast it, and it's like eating melon pan, and it's the best, right?
It's the best.
If anyone likes melon pan, and come buy this in a supermarket or whatever, which actually it's kind of hard to come by, definitely try it. You just put it on and toast it, and
it's usually hard to come by because people buy it.
No, but they don't sell it at my local supermarket.
Don't?
No, but we're gonna eat this up, drink some coffee so we can feel alive. We don't have like huge plans for the day, obviously. As I said, we're having more of like an at-home day.
Like
but
a little angel.
It is raining as well, so that's why we're kind of just gonna chill out, and I guess you guys will see what we end up getting up to.
Well, in the early 80s, I did some wet work for the CIA.
So it is now about 1:30. What we decided to do is get out and go to Starbucks and work on some stuff. Me on editing, obviously, on my tube, and then Logan's gonna work on his music because he's working on his album. Right now he's tying up his
Coming soon.
shoes. Sorry, I look kind of like a boy because I have my hair in a bun, but what are you gonna do? My hair feels gross. So
Sorry, I look like a boy today, you guys.
I look so tired. This is the real life, real vlog, guys.
Umbrella? Which umbrella you want? The big one?
You can take the big one. Let's take two.
Two?
Is it right?
No.
No. You think we should take them in case?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't have my shoe on properly.
Here.
What that is?
Insurance.
Insurance. Food court. Here. Oh, Subway. Should we just go? A nice guy. Mr. Nice Guy.
Shit, our hands full.
So we ended up sitting down in our regular food court, and we got some noodles, which we're waiting for, but look at our freaking buzzer thing. It's just like a little TV and like playing advertisements. What is Japan? But yeah.
Why do you need this?
You don't. We got the same thing we got when we were leaving to Osaka from, what is it called? Nagasaki Champon Ringa Hut.
Was it the same restaurant?
Yeah, literally the same one. Yeah. So we got the set with the 5 gyoza, and then they were doing like you could double or 1.5 the noodles for free. So I was like, yeah, so we can share one and be done with it. So yeah. So we've been sitting here for about 3 hours maybe, and I just figured out that my portable hard drive is full of memory, which really sucks. I was trying to like move over my vlog footage, and it just kept coming up with errors, and I didn't think it was full, so I didn't think anything of it. But it was actually full, and I thought maybe it's because my Mac isn't updated that it's coming up with an error. So I decided to install the update while we're at Starbucks, and of course we want to leave now. And it says there's 29 minutes remaining, and we want to go get dinner, but I have to wait for this update to install. So Logan's been a good sport and still just working on his stuff. Update. We'd cut 10 minutes out. Woohoo! On our way to success. So we're obviously heading home now. We did some shopping, got some dinner for tonight. Thanks, baby.
You're welcome.
Well, hello there. Welcome back to my cooking show. Gonna make some salad. This is really oniony. Can you smell it?
No.
Smell that.
Oh my gosh.
I actually have enough for 2. Do you want a salad each?
Yeah, let's do that.
We'll eat it tomorrow? Probably not. So, what we do when we're always in Japan and whatever, especially this time, we're trying to save money with eating at home and stuff, because of course you can get cheap meals outside in Japan for real cheap. Cheap meals. But still, you know. So
Your Australian really came out just so you know.
So instead of getting like a box salad, which usually costs like what, $3 or $4, even if it's cheap, we just bought 2 packets of like cut up veggies. So we got like a cabbage one and a onion lettuce mix, $1 each. Or, you know, splice them up and mix them up into the bowls, and you know, perfect 2-person salad right here. Bam. There we go. Put some extra. Oh no, this is fine. A lot of onion in there. Bam, bam, bam.
That way you can see your bra hanging up from this side.
A lot of onion in there. What? Salad done. And today we are going to eat some noodles. I'm gonna have solomon, which solomon is this like really skinny type white noodles. Honestly, as in it's huge.
Yeah.
Hard.
This is Logan noodles.
Logan noodles?
Yeah.
Actually, don't need to. This because it's Japan. You can go bang. And this noodles, we just need to honestly just wash it in water real quick, and then you're done. Instead of having to boil them, even though salmon only take a couple minutes to boil. And I'm going to use the frying pan. See, right now it's like a big jiggly block. But don't worry, we both have our hands washed, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you got to use what you got in Airbnb, which honestly this one is great. A lot of places don't even have like big bowls. There we go. Bam, 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 bam. Just cleaning the water real quick. Ooh, that's a lot of noodles actually.
Yeah. That's good though.
Yeah. What Mama usually does is throw some ice in there. Oh, sticking to my fingies. Ooh, hear that ice pop.
Yeah.
And we'll just leave it in there. So it's nice cool noodles for our sauce. I'm going to use soba tsuyu, which we just got like a 3-pack instead of getting a bottle or anything.
Eon top value brands.
Top value because it's always got our back.
Top value. Always got your back. There you go.
We don't have little small soba bowls. We're just going to use these cuppity-doo-dahs. God, I love the smell of soba too. And this is the, most of the time when you buy it, it is like the concentrated type. So now we water this down to our preferred temperature. That's fun. Probably a little on the strong side, but
It'd probably be good though.
maybe just a tiny. Oh, you know what? We'll put an ice block in. Whoop. It's like I choose myself.
Kampai.
Goodbye. Alright. This was a little bento we got. Of course we got it reduced because why wouldn't you? We usually go at the time where everything's reduced anyway. Chuck that all in there. Bam! Should have done that first. But anyway, we got ourselves a little drink.
What'd you get?
It is the Horoyoi Shiroi Saba, which we always get the ones that are like 3% alcoholic drink because we don't drink that much. Already cut up spring onions. Just some in there. You like spring onions, right?
Yeah. Just get a nice little.
This might be for soba, not salmon, but I think it'll go good anyways.
Add a little pizzazz.
Pizzazz. Bam.
Ooh.
And
Bon apple sweet.
Bon appetit.
They're gonna be bon appetit. Oh, damn.
Dressing?
We got a little, yes, Should I just put it on already?
Yeah, go ahead. I mean, this will be done soon, so.
This dressing's been really good actually. It's got a nice garlic taste to it. Who doesn't like garlic? Bon appetit. Oh shit.
Cool.
Alright! And we will show you, we'll put it on the table and we'll show you guys in uno momento how it went. Alright, now we're sitting down, watch some Japanese television. Got our spread. So how much did it cost total? Soba was like, what? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, probably $9. Under $10 for this, which is pretty decent.
It's like a healthy meal.
I'm gonna be a poison taster. Are you recording?
Yeah. Our poison taster.
Oh, it's gonna be spring.
Good.
That's what I needed. Welcome to my lioness hair, but I think you guys may have seen a couple vlogs ago that we bought some more temporary hair dye. And we're gonna dye our hair tonight and see if it works. This one is called Devil's Trick Kiss. That was probably Kiss. It does say it is a hair color treatment as well. This one is in candy pink, and it says this one only takes 5 minutes to develop. You put it on dry hair for like an intense color, wet hair for not as intense. Hopefully, I don't know, hopefully this works better. So I got the candy pink. I do have 2 packets because my hair is a little long. Logan got the creamy lavender. I think we'll do Logan's first and then I'll do my own in a second. But yeah, the thing is it just only takes 5 minutes to develop, so we kind of have to be kind of quick in it. Oh look, definitely more purple than last time. Maybe just more like an ashy purple. Just the long part?
Yeah, just the long part.
Do you hear my tongue?
Yeah.
Smells like grapes. You smell it?
Yeah, super grapey.
Oh god, it's all in the nails.
Ooh.
Alright, so I'm wearing a garbage bag because my hair actually is going to come down like that. I do still have some of the pink left from that other one, which it definitely shows up more on camera. I would say in real life you can't even tell it's pink at all. Ooh! Okay. Ooh! Now that's more like it. And this one smells like strawberries. Wow! This is the kind of colour I'm talking about, man.
How does it smell?
Smells like strawberries. There's actually quite a lot of product in one sachet. Literally dyeing my hair in the viewfinder of my camera. Okay, so I dyed it and I've waited 5 minutes. Managed to get it on my shirt as well. Gonna go wash it off now, and I guess hopefully this turned out better than Logan's. It's a little purple but not much, but I mean the pink definitely does stay more. Tell from my nails, they are very pink. I look so tired, my bags are like redonkulous. Look guys, Logan's new song is out. Focus. Logan's new song is out. You guys should go follow Logan Harding on, oh shit, wrong one. Go follow Logan Harding on Spotify. You can hear his new song.
Hey.
They left me to die out in the cold.
There it is.
I know to show up when I find some.
Go on. Alright guys, I think we are done for the night. Can you see the pink? Kind of. I'll insert a little clip from tomorrow, see how it turned out. If you guys enjoyed this really all over the place, chill and relax with us for a day vlog. Hey guys, so it is the next day and I thought I would show you guys a quick update on my hair. Can't really tell, but it's definitely a lot more pink than the last one I tried, especially in the areas where my hair's like light, like around here. I guess that's a lot cheaper and a better option. But yeah, I was gonna vlog today, but I don't think I can be bothered, so thanks for watching this vlog. What was that face?
It sounded mean.
It does sound mean.
Yeah.
Should I vlog today?
No, but I don't know. I got nothing.
I can see your belly. Bye guys. Oh God.